Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the version controlling system, which is GitHub. There are different version controlling system on the internet. You can search on Google. A few are GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and you can see Beanstalk, Perforce. There are many others which are used as per the requirement. But today we are going to discuss about GitHub. Why we use GitHub or any version controlling system? We use this version controlling system to keep track of our record. Like if I show you the example, this is my repository named campus recruitment system. Here I have my complete code at one place, but if I want to know which what I did before yesterday or day before yesterday, so I can check from here on comment section. Comments are the breakpoint of our application. What we have done, we differentiate comment with our message and timestamps. You can see minor fixes on UI, updated readme, improved logo with add minimum date restriction. You can check the state of this version. You can check this version by clicking over here, or if you want to see the latest work of my this application, you can go on master branch. Okay, so this was the overview of this GitHub. So let's get started. We will go from basic to advanced. Like at end we will use a GUI interface named SmartGit for our version controlling. So very first let's create basic let's do on basic steps. I'll create a new folder, YouTube demo. Let's initialize the git. You can see it has initialized. Oh, let's open this in VS Code. Open with VS Code. Let's create a new file named index.html. Let's push this file to our GitHub repository so that we can access this in future, or if our PC got stuck or our window got corrupt, so we can recover the code from our online platform. So we have already initialized the git. Let's create a new repository on the platform. Go to your repository section, create a new repository named GitHub demo CLI, or we can work on this. You can change the visibility. You can set it on public or private. Private are those which you don't want to expose on the GitHub. You can initialize the readme file. Readme file is about the profile, or you can say description of your application, how to use this, or you can add a description which is optional. So we will leave all this as it is. Let's create it. Okay, so we have run this command. We will run following command: git add, commit, and remote origin. So let's git add, git commit minus m, and created index.html file. Now let's check the status. You can see there's a new file to stage. Let's add the origin. Let's git push minus u origin master. I think it's gonna give me an error. Yes, let's run the git add. You can see there's an a flag over there. Let's let me add a comment. Get comment. You can see it will be changed. It's not changed. Let's okay, we have another error. It is asking about my username and email for the very first time. You can add your username and email globally, but I'm not gonna do this because I'm using a PC in which I have different usernames and emails, so I will have to run this command on every time without the global flag. Let's run this git config user.name is Mr. Farhan and the email is okay. Let's again try to push this. Okay, let's again run the above commands git add and git commit. Git add and then git commit. You can see now it has tracked, and you can see the a flag is removed, means you are on the latest branch. So this is it. Our all the work is now staged. Let's push this code to our GitHub online GitHub platform. So we will run. I'm just pressing the up arrow key so you can go to the recent of your commands. Git push minus u origin master. You can see it has pushed this. Okay, if you are using this for the very first time, so it will ask you about the username and password. So you will need to if it asks, so that you can provide the username and password. Let's explore if it is going to ask me the password. Credential managers, and you can see here I have the password. Let's remove this and then try to push this. Git push minus u. I don't know if it will work or not. Let's explore it. Origin master. Yeah, it is asking me. Okay, so currently I'm using the personal access token. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to create a video on personal access token and .ssh key. Both are the different ways you can add. You can push or you can save your passwords. So I'm gonna with 2, and I'm going to paste this my personal access token, and it should work now. Yeah, it worked. Let's add hello world. Okay, let's first test if our work is on GitHub or not. Yeah, you can see our work is on GitHub. You can see here the index file, which is completely empty. Let's add some text in it. I have added hello world. You can see it is saying it's modified. It's not the latest version. It is not synced with the master branch. So let's run the git add and git commit branch, or we can just run the git add git commit branch. We will not run the git add branch. Why? Because our this file is already staged. We will run the git add file for all those files which are new and are not pushed to the GitHub. So let's update the message. Modified index.html file. This is not the good practice to use these words. Your message should be clear, and so that everyone can understand. So I will make it added hello world text in index file. Now you can see it has tracked this and the m flag is removed. Now let's push this code. Git push minus u origin master. Now you can see our if your password is not saved or someone else password is saved, so you can just remove that from credential manager in Windows and then push this code on the GitHub. Now let's refresh this. You can see there is a hello world. Let's get back to those, and you can see here is our track. You can comment on you can click on this and see this is our version 1, this is version 2, and in version 1 we created an index file, and then we added the hello world text. Okay, so this is the basic one. In the next video we will explore advanced functionalities. No, in the next videos we will explore the same functionality in GUI interface named, you can say, SmartGit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and understand the basics of GitHub, why we use GitHub and what are the basic commands to push your code on internet. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.